Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longza machine. Today we are sending our automatic roller shell, welding and grinding machine to India. As you know, in the market, the pellet machine spare parts are roller shell and ring die. These spare parts are very often used. In order to save the production cost, you don't need to buy the brand new roller shells. But you can repair the roller shell by yourself. And that's why we are sending our roller welding and grinding machine to our clients. This is the complete unit of our roller welding and grinding equipment. Over here is an welding machines, and here is an pump oiler. And over here is the welding gun. In this box is the welding wire fitting machine. And this complete one is the roller shell grinding machines. It can adjust the different size to suitable for different size roller shell. And it's a complete automatic working. No need too much manually welding or grinding work. And over here, together with the machine, we also have spare parts together with the machine. For example, like this extra grinding machines, grinding wheel, extra grinding wheel. And over here is the gas sheltered flux cord wire. It's for extra use for the wire for the machine, for the welding machines. So with our equipment, you don't need to buy the new rollers. You can use our machine, repair the rollers by yourself, save the production cost. Okay, everyone, trust Longza brand, trust Longza quality. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye.